Are you wondering how you can make and receive calls with your Galaxy Watch when you set it up with your iPhone? In this video, we will show you how you can make and receive calls from a Samsung Galaxy Watch. We are using a Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, but you can use any Samsung watch that is compatible with iPhone for this process. Before you do anything else, you need to make sure the iPhone and the Galaxy Watch is connected to each other and within each other's Bluetooth range. Otherwise, this process won't work. After you fulfill these criteria, go to your Samsung Galaxy Watch, move the bezel clockwise 2 times. You will get into this page. Tap on this phone icon. Your recent calls and messages will appear here. You can dial the number manually if you wish, or you can access your contacts. Move the bezel to see your contact. Or if you know which contact you want to call, you can search it from here too. Now tap on the contact. Now tap on this green sign. If you're doing it for the first time, you will get this message. You will get a pop-up on the Galaxy Watch app. As you can see, it is saying that you need to connect the watch again. Many people get confused here. So what you need to do is tap OK. Go to your Bluetooth setting. As you can see, the Galaxy Watch is connected, but there is another Galaxy Watch in other devices. You need to connect it too. Then pair it with your iPhone. After it is paired, tap on the eye icon. Tap device type. Now select headphone or speaker, whichever one you like. Now you will be able to make calls from your Galaxy Watch without your connected iPhone. Now go back to your calls, select your contact, tap on the green icon. As you can see, it is ready to call. Now you can talk from your watch directly without using the phone. And you can directly answer the call from your watch. So guys, this is the way you can make and receive calls from your Samsung Galaxy Watch directly. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.